Welcome to another Milo Minute. For this episode of sorts, we're going to go into the van and talk about door cranks. So, without further ado, here is Exhibit A. This door crank, which is the OEM style, these are cheap and, well, they're cheap so they break. This is my 7th one. No, not that many. I've been going through them pretty quick. I like it. They're plastic. You can spray paint them with Rust-Oleum and it sticks really well. I like the grip. Not only does it look like a Reese's peanut butter cup, but it is ergonomical because it's thicker. And Exhibit B is the heavy-duty crank that is tilted out from the door, so it will clear your speakers, which is nice. The little twisty bit, it's a little small for my hands, but it is well made. You don't worry about breaking these because the metal is thicker. And then for Exhibit C, D, E, and F, these are your other options. So there's some more out there, no doubt. But the first one I got from Bus Depot for $10. It's their heavy-duty version. It's not tilted out like the Go Esty one, but it's quite all right. The next two are from Go Esty as well. If you notice the backs of them, they actually are pretty much the same for innards. That's the cover that's different. So I think that longevity-wise, they will be roughly about the same. And the last bit is a spacer from Van Cafe. The spacer from Van Cafe actually costs more than the heavy-duty crank from Bus Depot. If you really want to stick with the cranks you got, that is a good option. But for price-wise, I just went with the old crank on my driver's side door. And I've liked it because it still clears my speaker, mainly because the cardboard stuff is kind of warped a little bit. I need to replace that door skin eventually. And then the other side, I do have that more expensive Go Esty heavy-duty crank, and I'm pleased with both. And as always, thanks for watching. If you have questions, comments, drop them down below. That'd be great. Like and subscribe. That always helps. And I'll see you in the next one.